What's up, besties? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something exciting for you, especially if you've been trying to break into remote work but you keep feeling stuck. I want to talk about this AI platform and, more importantly, how you can use this opportunity to land yourself your first remote job, no matter where you're living right now. Yes, you heard that right. A lot of people think remote jobs are only for people in the US, Canada, or Europe, but that's not entirely true. Companies are hiring globally, and right now there are multiple openings. The real issue is not your location, it's knowing how to position yourself properly, and that's exactly why I'm making this video. I just don't want to tell you to apply. I want to help you increase your chances of getting hired. Whether you're a student, unemployed, looking for side income, or trying to transition into remote work full-time, this could be your entry point. And here's the best part. Many of these roles don't require years of experience. What they need is attention to detail, consistency, and to follow instructions that's manageable. If you're serious, I'm at home this week, by the way, so I'll be uploading more frequently, and we're going to focus on practical, actionable opportunities like this. Not just theory, but real steps you can take immediately. So if landing your first remote job is one of your goals for this year, 2026, stay with me and let me break down this opportunity properly for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with someone, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Drop a comment if you want more AI videos and more remote opportunities like this. Go to sigma.ai, go to their careers page, you will see 679 jobs available in different locations, alright? So you can filter job by entry the department. So this is annotation and translation job, about 679. You have location. Choose your location. Choose a location that you want to work in. Most countries are here, but some are not here. But that does not mean that you will not get this job if you're interested, if you're serious. All right, you can see that they have multiple countries here, loads and loads of locations in this place. The job type is fully remote. They have 610 fully remote. We want to go for fully remote. So when you look at the map, you see the jobs in different countries. They have 263 in United Kingdom, 207. Is this Nigeria? I'm seeing Nigeria. So you can select a country and see if something comes up on your in your country, because all these numbers you're seeing here are jobs available in different locations. All right. Even in Egypt, Indonesia, Vietnam. Oh, Nigeria. Nigerian Fufude Linguistic Project. I didn't even know that they had a job in Nigeria. And I don't know what language this is for Nigerians. Let me just open it for the sake of this video. Nigeria. So this job is shaping the future of artificial intelligence. You can read what Sigma AI is. They're looking for candidates with the following qualifications: fluent in Nigerian Fufude, able to listen and write correctly without spelling mistakes; fluent in English, able to listen and write correctly without spelling mistakes; basic computer skills, preferred but not mandatory; experience in data annotation or content creating; strong attention to detail. To participate in this project, you will need minimum of 4 gig RAM, microphone and webcam, operating system Windows 10 or higher, or Mac. All OS updates installed and supported by the vendor. Stable internet connection, headphones, secure internet location protected by a strong password. Mobile phone with Android OS. Tablet and iOS devices are not supported. So what they do is each job they will tell you what device you need for the job. But mobile phone can do this. And this job is located in Abuja, Nigeria. By the way, I did not see this before making this video. So good luck to you guys. If you're in Nigeria and you know this language, I don't know what that language is. I do not know. The locations they are looking for is Abuja, Nigeria, United Kingdom. Yeah, they have other ones for United Kingdom for British accent as well. Employment type is always temporary because you're working on a freelance base. Okay. So if you want to do this job now, you click on apply. Nigerian Fufude Linguistics Projects. If you know this language, please drop in the comments. It is remote. Do you have a native level of Nigerian this language? I don't know. Do you know how to write Nigerian this language using Latin script? Is your English at least an intermediate level? In which country do you currently hold tax residency? What is your nationality? So even if you're not in Nigeria, okay, you can, if you're in the UK or United States, you can also apply for this job if you know this language. I don't know what that language is. I do not know what that language is. So guys, drop in the comments if you know what that Fubude language is. Okay, so you just go ahead and upload your CV. I talked about CV. CV is a must if you want to work online and earn from all these AI training jobs that is all over the place. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. Don't miss this opportunity. Okay, so if you know this language, can apply for this one ASAP. I'll take you guys back to the job. So this is one of the jobs. As I was making this video, I just got a $5 gig that I need to go complete. But yeah, that is how it goes. So this is one for Nigerians, but there are other jobs here for different countries, UK, even Swahili linguistic project. So wherever you are, if you're in this country, what's this country called? If you're in Kenya, please, you have a job here that you can do today. English linguistic project. This one is 100% remote. Nigerians can do this one as well. You can do this one if you're Nigerian. You can do this. I don't know. I'm not like concentrating on Nigerians. Other countries can do this job. Please, Ghana. Just put your nationality. Which country do you currently hold tax? So you're going to put the country where you currently hold tax. Okay, your residency. Norway, Czech Republic, Mexico, Denmark, France, United States. Which country do you hold tax? So this is where what I said in the intro comes in. If you want to be working in these countries, these locations, I prefer you go for UK or United States. Yeah, I prefer you go for UK or United States. All you have to do is to download a VPN in your phone. I made a video yesterday, a live stream yesterday, showing you how to install a VPN in your phone that will change your location to the current location of where that job is. Guys, don't let location be limitation to you. Don't let your location be limitation to you. Change your location using that VPN and then apply for a job in that country. You will surely get it. You do the job, collect the pay, and off you go. All right. So I would link the video on this one. On top of this one, you can feel free to watch it. I would have shown it again here, but I'm not going to show it. The video is already up. Watch it and get your VPN installed in your phone. So you can see that these jobs are available right now. They are all available right now. If I want to apply for this, it's the same way that I did for Nigerians. You select your location. Let's assume you changed your location already. So if you've changed your location already, you can just apply again here. If you change the location to UK, you can apply for this one. So for the link is going to be in the description for anyone interested. Well, drop in a comment if you're interested. Then I leave the link for you. Egyptian Arabic translator, native Saudi Arabia translator, Indonesia linguistic, Lulua linguistic. Guys, they have lots of jobs. Just come here and change it. Change it to they even have one in Accra. Let me see what they have. Guys, you see, I've been talking about other countries. They have one in Accra, GA linguistic projects remote, annotation and translation, Ghana, United States, Accra. So look, this opportunity is for Ghana and United States. Yeah, that's why you're seeing two locations, United States and Ghana. So go ahead and apply now. Look, this is for United States and Ghana. Annotation and translation. This annotation and translation is one of the easiest in this AI training job that we are doing these days. All right. Then you submit your cover letter, your resume, and additional files if you do have. Okay, so I've shown Nigerians one, I've shown Ghanaians one, and those that speak Swahili, there's one there I saw for you guys as well. Okay, just click here on this location icon and probably look for your country. See if there's something, even in Freetown. Freetown is in South Africa. Maiduguri, Makurdi is Nigeria. Wow, Maiduguri has 7. That's Nigeria has 7. Eza Linguistic Project. Bariba Batonu Linguistic. Lalaroba Linguistic. Central Kanuri Linguistic. It's finished now. It is finished. You see? So, Maiduguri, another one in Maiduguri. So Nigeria, for you to find something here, Zambia is here. Zambia has 8 jobs right now. Different locations. Guys, I'm going to sleep on this platform. I'm definitely sleeping on this platform. London has 36 projects. But London is on site. But you guys outside is remote. So I don't want to be too long on this video. I'm going to drop the link. I don't know which one to even drop the link, but let me know in the comments if you want to start working like today. Okay, no time to dull. All right, now you understand the opportunity, but here's what I want you to remember. Opportunities don't change. Your life action does. There are people watching this right now. You're going to say this sounds good and then do nothing. And there are others who will take this information, apply properly, follow the steps, and give themselves a real chance. Be in the second group. Remote work is one of the most powerful ways to increase your income without relocating. No visa stress, no moving costs, just your skill, internet connection, and smart positioning. If you're serious about leveraging this opportunity, you have to start treating your applications like strategy, not lottery tickets. Customize your CV, follow instructions, carefully apply consistently. That's how you separate yourself. One thing that encouraged me to make this video is that one of my subscribers actually made his first £25 all the way from Nigeria. Okay, he made it from a platform in the UK, which I shared here before, and most of you took it for granted. He made his first £25, which is close to 50k in Naira. So I am so excited, and I'll continue to bring out these videos for whoever is interested to grab the opportunities and help themselves. Okay, so if you're interested in leveraging this AI, I've got some jobs that I need to do myself, paying 200 USD and above. So if you want to leverage this opportunity, help yourself, get yourself VPN, get yourself a UK number, pay for the subscription, use it, grab jobs, do jobs for yourself, do jobs that are in different locations. Stop waiting for a job that will hire from Nigeria, because you might not see it. Believe me, you might not see that kind of job. So take the steps I'm going to give you now. Download a VPN. I'll display the VPN on the screen for you. Download it in your phone, enable your location, change your location to that country where the job is before you apply. That's just it. That's the deal breaker. You change your location to that country before you apply. I have reviews to do on other jobs that I've shared here before and how far people have gone on those jobs. So I'm so excited for this. If you are, watch this video, follow the steps, and do your application. If this video helped you, hit the like button so people can see it. Subscribe if you're serious about remote work, online income, and real opportunities, because I'm home this week and I'm dropping more content. And in the comments, tell me where you're watching from. I want to see how global this community really is. Your location is not your limitation. Your execution is. Don't forget to join the channel membership if you want to get direct access to me. Also, our Telegram mentorship class is still ongoing. Links in the description. Check it out. See if you want to join. If you want to join, feel free to join. I'll see you guys in the next one.